Good morning. So I've already went and done like most of my makeup already on my Instagram stories. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about our lip bundle on here as well. Well, actually, I have not talked about it yet, but our lip bundle is going to be our lip scrub. This will prep your lips and also take off the crusties on your lip. This has like a passion fruit flavor, so it's really nice. I don't want my But yeah, so lip scrub first, and then we're also going to do a lip mask here. I don't know where my lip mask. This is supposed to heal. This is supposed to heal and hydrate and kind of like plump your lips. All right, so the next, oh man, I'm so excited. I just thought about this too because I am going to be getting my new lip liners today. You guys are going to see swatches. I'm going to go live probably, and you guys are going to see some swatches. Yeah, George? You're done? Okay, we are also doing a lip liner of your choice as well. But yeah, going off with that, we are going to go live and I'm going to show you the new shades that was launched on the 1st. I'm so excited for them because it's going to be fun. These are like perfect fall lip liners. And then we are also gonna go in with Love You Latte. Actually, this shade isn't available, but crap. I don't know. I don't really wear a lot of red at work, but let's just do it. We're gonna do red over heels here because I know that the eye look that I went for today would be perfect. All right, so that wasn't a planned lip, but it's okay. So we are doing a bundle here. This is a what, George? It was right next to you. Yeah. It was right next to you. Where did it go? There we go. All right, so our bundle is going to be a lip liner of your choice, a lip scrub, a lip mask, a liquid lip of your choice, and lucrative lip gloss. This is the entire bundle. You're going to be saving 25% off with this entire bundle. Now, you do not have to have this entire bundle if you do not want to. You can literally do the lip kit right here, which will have the lip gloss, lip liner, and liquid lip. Or you can do a lip care bundle, which will be the lip mask, lip scrub, and also a lip butter of your choice as well. Normally, I really enjoy the lip, well, this isn't it, spa day. I usually enjoy the spa day with this 3. So I have a whole bunch of bundles here for you guys. If you guys are interested, make sure that you guys comment below, say lip bundle. I did go on my stories and hold on. Okay. Our eye essential bundle, which will have a choice of your mascara. You're going to have your eyebrow product and also a liquid shadow. I did not use a liquid shadow today, but I also have, hold on, George. I got to show you something first. That's mine. This is our 50% off bundle right here, which has the eyeshadow palette, bronzer, and blusher as well. Okay, he wants to show you his truck. Your truck?
It's dumping.
It's dumping?
Yeah. The more in there.
Got more?
More.
Oh, okay.
Good.
Yeah.
Done.
It's gone.
It's
Okay. Well, we're going to get ready to go. Say bye-bye, people.
Bye, people.
Alright, I'll meet you outside or out there. Alright, you guys. So, if you guys have any questions, make sure you let me know. We do have those bundles. I will be using some of these bundles today or tonight for my Halloween thing. I will decide what I'm going to be doing of Halloween live later on tonight. So if you guys have any questions on that, let me know. But other than that, I hope you all have a good Monday, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.